We thank then the ILO Director General for the report, The End of Poverty Initiative, having a clear perspective for the ILO, putting the 2030 agenda in response to the Sustainable Development Goal. The discussion on global supply chains as agenda for this conference recognizes the indecent and inhuman condition of the workers at the bottom of the chains. Unsecure jobs, below living wage, lack of social protection, flexibilization at work, and widespread poverty among workers, including her family, especially young, migrant, and women workers. We do hope that at the end of this conference, we draw a conclusions for a full application of human rights, labor standards, and environmental that is binding and have a strong follow-up mechanism. A need to work toward one single universal standards on business and human rights. The universality of poverty and equality identified in 2030 agenda is a calling for action from different actors. From the perspective of young Christian workers, it is politically imperative for the ILO and to the government to promote full employment and raise the standards of living of workers by ensuring core labor standards to be respected at all levels from local, regional, and international level. The 2030 agenda should remain focused to the equal development of humanity, putting the dignity of a person at the center of work. We fully support the 2030 agenda and should pay attention to the most vulnerable sector of the society: youth and young workers, the unemployed, informal workers, migrants, and women, as to the fact that there is no one left behind in equality and poverty. We call upon stakeholders to hold and promote and implement immediately the social protection system in accordance to Recommendation 202 and Conventions 102. It is equally important to establish fair and just public policies and practices by effective increasing access to youth employment and quality education and program development to protect job stability and to eradicate deterioration of international labor standards. With the 2030 agenda and preparation for the ILO centenary celebration, we insist that the ILO should continuously provide a platform for the young workers to participate in the discussion and advocate effectively in international decision-making in the framework of just work and dignified life for all. We, the International Young Christian Workers, believe that no workers without work, and future of work is not without just work. In transforming the world to the new society, I hope that you can honor not just my request, but also the demands of young workers around the world. Please be ambitious, be brave, be honorable, and be just. Incorporate development justice into our work. If not, please tell me where I should go to achieve it. Thank you.
Muchas gracias a todos.